Hey, what's up, y'all? How you doing? Hope everyone is doing well. Today we have PepsiCo. Let me move this out the way. PepsiCo on the daily time frame, a daily chart, and their ticker symbol is PEP. So, Pepsi for today, they already basically made their move. Like they already made their move. So I marked these up on the weekend. So, what I'm looking at for now is just to basically make a continuation of an analysis. So I wanted them to basically open up on Monday, hit this area, and either break up fully past this level and then come back down, retest this area, and then go back up. But we did get a break, but it actually closed under this area. So that already signaled a bearish momentum and it ended up closing back under our area, right? So it came up here, boom, and it actually came back down. If you look on the line chart, you can see actually it came up, made a lower high, and then continued going downward, right? So now Pepsi basically been uh down in this sense. I mean, they look to start making their higher highs now and possibly come up from here. So with looking at that, what I'm looking for from Pepsi is this. Actually had a buddy who worked for Pepsi as well, and he wasn't happy with it. Apparently they overwork their workers and they do have an issue with payments. So sometimes. So yeah, other than that, we're looking for more continuation from this area to go upward. I would like to see them bounce back up only because it is on a bullish cycle at the moment. But from this point, I would like to see if they're going to actually continue to go upward. So I would like to see something like this in this sense. And it continue going upward. Like that's it. If it ends up breaking past this area, I would like to see if it's gonna actually like end up breaking right past, boom, and then actually heading lower, right? I mean, will we get that anytime soon? Not really, not I don't really think that's gonna be a thing. I feel like they're gonna actually start to head back upwards. I would target first I would target, if anything, at first 140, 142-ish. And then from there, I would look to see if I can target that 143, 145 level, or 144. So I would go ahead and target those areas, if anything, and then go from there. But aside from that, I'm just waiting from the sidelines. That's my be all end all. I'm not looking to look at anything else other than that. I mean, they already basically made their run starting the week and they ended up doing it strong. Boop, gapped out right into Thursday from what was this? Yeah, from yesterday to today, just boom, gapped up all low. So it is what it is, but we're gonna keep an eye on that and see where they go up from there. So if you have any questions, as usual, please feel free to leave your comments, questions in the comments, and recommendations in the comments. And please make sure that you guys are liking and subscribing to the channel if you're new. And don't forget that notification bell to stay tuned to further videos and topics like that I'll be dropping soon. So thank you so much. Have a great day. And if anything, have a great one. Peace, y'all.